Welcome to our channel. ERD is an engineer-owned industrial electronic repair company that offers the industry-leading 3-year warranty because we don't just repair your unit, we refurbish it. The Ebara Precision is a precise measurement system using a calibrated load cell. This particular system is constructed of a reader by Toyo Sokki plus a custom load cell and mounting system. At ERD, we are able to both repair and calibrate this unit with our standard weights. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe to ERD TV for more videos.